Hello, students, friends, followers, and my dear colleagues. Hope you all are doing good. And it's been long. I haven't uploaded a video. I thought I should make a video one. And there was this discussion between one of the students, who met me from my YouTube video. He has taken my mail ID and then he messaged me. And there was this intense discussion between him and me saying what is that actually those who are really working hard lack in their journey of achieving something. They work hard, study so much, and finally end up in working in a clinic or some mediocre job, and they just settle to that level and they are unable to reach to that great heights. So what is that few things which interfere from students to achieve that greatness? This is not only related to dental students, but for all the engineering, medical, pharmacy, or Ayurvedic, homeopathy, or all the students, those who are following me. I've been getting these mails and messages from BA, BCom students as well. I'm so glad you all are actually listening to my videos and responding to them. So, what actually interferes in success of a student even though they are willing to work hard? Okay, very important. You want to really work hard but somehow it doesn't happen. So there are few factors which interfere anyone to achieve their goals, and they have that motivation but they don't achieve that goal, and they want to really do well in exams, they want to do great job in their work, they want to really establish a very good setup, they want to really earn lot of money, get good name, good fame, do great service to people. They have big high goals. At the same time they are really truthful, or they are really they want to do something good to the society, they are real, but the problem is they don't achieve it. The question is why. So there's a beautiful, points which if you keep in mind, you will quickly realize that how or where you are going wrong. Okay. So first point is, are you able to develop that why within you, the reason for your survival in this stream? Suppose you are an engineering student, suppose you are a BPC student, suppose you are dental, you are medical, you are BA, BCom, any student for that matter. Suppose you are a student, or suppose you are a businessman, suppose you are a housemaker, suppose you are whatever thing you are in. Are you finding a purpose to it? Are you asking yourself, why am I in this field? Is it because someone told me, my mother told, my father told, my uncle told? So this field may be good. This I am imagining this field is good. No, you have to find a strong core reason. Why are you in this stream? Very, very important. Very important. Next is, you should also ask yourself, if you are unable to find out that why, or if you're already in the field and you don't want to address that why. I'm in this field now, I'm into dentistry, I'm into medical, I'm into pharmacy, now I don't want to change. Then ask, why not? Why not? If at all you are in this field, if at all there are great stalwarts in this field, if at all there are people who are earning 15, 20, 30, 40 lakhs a month, if at all they are doing so good, why not you? Right? Somehow you have to enter into some field and start liking it, right? So any field you choose, ask yourself, why not I can be the best in this? Why not I am doing my best in this? Why not I'm, suppose you're giving an internal examination, suppose you're giving a theory examination, you're going for a viva, you're going for interview, you're going for job or something, ask yourself, why not I shouldn't become number one this in this, why I should not be the best in this, ask yourself, why not am I doing my best in this field, whatever I've chosen. The third and the most important point is, if at all you are finding those why nots, that is, if at all you are in this field, I want to be the number one, but what is stopping me from becoming the number one? If you can jot down, if you can write down, then there are certain aspects you will definitely miss, out of which one is your laziness. You put it across onto your college, friends, parents, teachers, neighbors, your TV, IPL, whatever you want to put, you will blame on something else. So ask yourself, am I blaming something? That is the most important thing. If you are blaming something, I'm telling you, this is a vicious cycle. The universe works that way. If you are in a reason mode, if you are blaming something, the the universe will take such a beautiful shape that you will be ultimately be depressed, dull and moody. You will go down. Your fall is always this way. You will never rise, you will always fall. Okay, so remember that. And after why not, you should ask yourself this question regularly, compulsory, that am I blaming someone for your success, for your work, for your food, for your education, your job, your field? Are you blaming something, some situation, some circumstances, somebody's parents, friends, elders, or some seniors, juniors, college, campus, whatever? Are you blaming something? The moment you realize this, yes, I'm blaming something, I'm worried why my college is like this, why my parents are like this, and stop. Cut that immediately. Make sure you do that now. You release yourself from that mindset. Release yourself from that nothing in this world can affect you if you just come out of that trap. Okay, so come out of the trap. Don't blame anything. Whatever situation you are in now, that's a perfect situation for you, and start moving ahead from that. Right, so stop blaming. Blame game is very very bad for a student. The fourth and very very important thing which I want all of you to understand is, if it is not now, when? Okay, right now. Start doing it right now. Don't postpone things for the last day, last moment. Suppose you are reading something, you read some 2 pages and then say, okay, this I will read it in the last. Then you, that last will never come, and you will be really worried at the end of the year. Similarly, work. Suppose you're working, do it today. Now is the best time. Right now, are you finishing that subject? Are you finishing that syllabus? Are you working towards that goal? Are you doing it now? If you say, tomorrow I will do it, after this movie I will do it, after watching that web series I'll do it, that is never going to happen. So start doing it now. Now is the right time. Whenever you get that surge of motivation, do it within 5, 10, 12 seconds. Start doing it. Okay, and once you miss that, you skip that, you will never be able to do it again. So this is also an important point. Do it now. Whatever you want to study, do it now. And the fifth and the most important aspect is, after 5 years of your education, your work, or whatever your field you are in, after 5 years, if you are not becoming better at it, or if you are not confident about what you are doing, I don't think you will survive in any field for that matter. So I want you to understand this. Next 5 years, suppose you are in medical field, suppose you are in engineering field, suppose you are in dental field, pharmacy field, whatever. 5 years of your life you are putting into that. So I want you to become better in it, in whatever field you are. 5 years I want you to really focus and improve yourself as a person. So gain knowledge, lot of knowledge. And 5 years, if you are investing in something, I want you to really focus on that and win over it, rather than sit there worry about what will happen after 10, 20, 30 years. Don't do that, buddy. Don't do that. You will really be in trouble. So the debate which happened between me and that person over the mail is, he was worried. that after the dental post graduation, will there be jobs? Will there be something? Will there be some opportunity? Will there be college openings? Will there be government jobs? So I'm telling you this, if you are investing your life into something, focus there. Don't worry about future. Suppose you're worrying about future, you will spoil this, you will spoil that. And this is reality, buddy. This is reality. You should understand this. Right now, learn. Don't waste for future. Thinking about future, don't waste your now. Don't waste your beautiful present. So this is very, very important. So that way, a good student who really is motivated but unable to achieve that success, correct these things. Do it right now. Why? Do you have a purpose? Why not? If you are in a mediocre level, suppose you're getting 30 40 marks out of 100, make it into 70 80 90 marks. Move ahead. Why not? Move ahead and achieve something, and stop blaming, buddy. Do not blame anyone. You should be responsible for your life. You have one life, and I want you to really work hard and achieve something for your satisfaction. You will feel absolutely tremendous, and you'll really feel, best of your life when you really accomplish something. So start accomplishing something, and see the magic. You will never understand the kick or the surge of dopamine that comes out when you really win. So winning is a habit. I want you to really win and do it. All the students, those who are there struggling hard, one time, second time, third attempt, second attempt, neat attempt, and all, don't worry, boss. Life is so quick. 1 year will just roll away. If you want to achieve something, suppose you want to do MBBS, go give out one more attempt. Suppose you want to become an IAS officer, go give another attempt. Don't just sit back and think, what if I don't do it by the age of 31 or 32? It's okay, you will do it by 33. What is there? Okay, so just don't worry about the time, and I want you to really focus on what you're doing, right? Hope this video will help you. And in case you have anything to talk to, or you suppose you're moody, you're depressed, you are getting suicidal thoughts, or you want someone to talk with you, and there you can message me, drharsh harish tenity at gmail.com. If you're depressed, dull and moody, and you want some advice as a senior person, as a professor, I would be definitely happy to help you all. I'm Dr. Harish Teneti, oral and maxillofacial surgeon, life coach, Vedsastra Path instructor. I'm a Surya Upasak. I meditate a lot. I teach meditation, and so much more I do. I write books and all. In case you find time, in case you need something you want to ask me, please feel free. Whatever experience, little experience I have, I would be very, very happy to share with you all. And I'm telling you, everyone has an individual story. You are a beautiful story. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, please take care.